With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, in this question it is saying that liquid M and liquid N form an ideal solution, right? The vapor pressure of pure liquid M and N are 450 and 750 mmHg respectively, and at the same temperature, right? These are pressure given at the same temperature, and we have to find out which statement is correct. Those of four options are given, and we have to find out which option is correct. And it is also given that xm is the mole fraction of M in solution, mole fraction of M in solutions, and xn is mole fraction of N in solution. This is M, this is for N. Ym is the mole fraction of M in vapor phase, and Yn is the mole fraction of N in vapor phase, right? So let's start solving this question. So according to the Raoult's law, we will write here according to the Raoult's law. Raoult's law says that the partial pressure of M is equals to the mole fraction of, not equals to, it is proportional to, partial pressure of M is directly proportional to the mole fraction of M in the solution. Now after removing the this proportional, we will get here partial pressure of M will be equals to mole fraction of M multiply, there will be a constant which is Pm naught here, right? This is for Pm, partial pressure of M, and similarly partial pressure for N we will write here. This will be equals to the mole fraction of N into, there will be a proportionality constant which is Pn naught, right? This we have written this. So now there is another law which is known as Dalton's law, which is Dalton's law. Now what Dalton's law says that partial pressure of M will be equals to this Ym, mole fraction of M in vapor phase, mole fraction of M in vapor phase multiplied by total pressure here, right? Similarly we can write the partial pressure of N will be equals to the Yn, mole fraction of N in vapor phase, mole fraction of N in vapor phase multiplied by P total pressure. Now we have to find out the relation between xm by xn and ym by yn. So how can we find it out? So we can find it out by, from here we know that ym will be equals to pm divided by p total. Similarly from here we can write it vapor pressure, mole fraction of N in vapor pressure will be equals to P of N, partial pressure of N in solution divided by total pressure here, right? We got the value of Ym and Yn here. Now if we can put the value of Pm equals to this and Pn is equals to this, so we can write it like this here as well, that Ym will be equals to Pm. We can write Pm is equals to xm P naught M, xm P naught M divided by P total, and there will be Yn will be equals to partial pressure of N in the solution divided by Pn. We can write Pn is equals to, there we can write Pn is equals to xn into P naught N. This will be x of N multiplied by P naught N divided by P total here, right? Now this is, let's say this is our equation number 1, and let's say this is our equation number 2. Now we will divide the equation number 1 by equation number 2. Right, now we can write it here, Ym divided by y of N is equals to, there P total will be cancelled out, and there will be remaining term will be xm P naught M divided by x of N P naught N. Now we have to find out the value of P naught M and P naught N, which the value are given in the question, which is the vapor pressure of pure liquid M and N are 450 and 700 mmHg. So its value will be 450 and 700. So we will write it here, xm divided by xn multiply by 400 divided by 450. This is 450 divided by 700. So this will be 450 divided by 700, and this is equals to Ym divided by y of N here. This is x of N here, right? Now this can be cancelled out, and the left term will be ym divided by y of n will be equals to x of m divided by x of n. This will be equals to 9 by 14. 9 by 14. 0 will be cancelled out by this 0, and this will be cancelled out with 5, the table of 5. So this will be 9 and this will be 14. So as we can compare it from here, that this value will be greater than this value, because this value is lesser than this value is less than 1, and so this value will be greater than this value. So xm divided by x of n will be greater than y of m divided by y of n. So this will be our correct answer. Xm divided by yn will be greater than ym divided by yn. Right, so our option will be xm divided by xn will be greater than ym divided by yn. So option number D is our correct answer. This is answer. Thank you for watching. Best of luck. Bye bye.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.